Hello kids, good morning to you all. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying fit at home. Welcome to the online class of Value Education of St. Thomas English Higher Secondary School. I am your Value Education teacher, Arpita Nimani. Children, today we will be moving. Chapter number 6, Goodness is Love in Action. The value it gives is goodness. Children, page number 22 of your moral science textbook. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer. His name was Tukaram. He was a very kind and good-natured person. His nature was very good. He lived in a hut with his wife and children on his land. He earned by selling whatever crops he could produce on his small land. He was a farmer and he earned his livelihood by selling crops. Tukaram loved to help others. Whenever someone fell ill or needed something badly, Tukaram was there to help that person. If anyone fell ill at night, Tuka was right beside the village doctor to help him prepare the medicines and tend to the sick. Means he used to always help the needy people. There seemed to be none who hated this man. But there was one person who hated Tuka. He was Ramesh, a neighbor of Tuka who lived in the land next to him. Ramesh was a lazy person by nature. He hardly put in as much effort to cultivate his land as Tuka did. Means he never used to work hard to cultivate his land and he used to wish that he should earn like Tuka. So, when the harvest season arrived every year, Ramesh found that he had very few crops to sell. Tuka, on the other hand, earned a very nice profit by selling his produce. Means at the end of the year, when the harvest season came, Tuka used to earn well because he was a hard-working man and Ramesh was a lazy person. So, he didn't earn well. One day Ramesh set fire to Tuka's crops at night. Tuka was asleep at that time. Tuka was sleeping and Ramesh set fire to Tuka's crops. But one of his other neighbors woke up and saved much of his crops from being burned in the deadly flames. When the flames were doused, means when the flames stopped, fire was flashed off, Tuka came to know that it was the work of Ramesh. But he remained calm and didn't disclose the matter to anyone. That year, Tuka could not make much profit. He had a heavy heart, but he did not like to tell anyone about it. One day, Tuka was awakened by the sound of weeping. He found that Ramesh's son had fallen ill. He found that the village doctor was unable to provide a cure to Ramesh's son. Tuka knew what he had to do. He untied his own horse and rode it. Then he rushed to the town that was 10 miles away and fetched a more experienced doctor who lived there. Means Tuka himself went to the village nearby where he found a more experienced doctor. This doctor was able to diagnose the disease correctly and provided the exact cure for it. A day later, Ramesh went to Tuka's hut and began to weep bitterly. Now Ramesh realized his mistake. He confessed to his sins, but he was surprised when Tuka told him that he knew it all. When he confessed in front of Tuka that he had only set out fire into his crops, Tuka said that he already knew it. Ramesh stood up and embraced Tuka. Both men were in tears, and so were the others who stood near them. All started to have tears in their eyes. From that day, Ramesh changed himself. Within a year, he could produce much crops in his land through his hard work. Now, Ramesh also started hard work. So children, what is the moral of the story? We should always help others. We should work hard for our livelihood as Tuka did. And we should never be jealous of anyone. As you see now, Ramesh was jealous of Tuka. We should never be jealous of anyone. And also, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Means whenever you will help someone, then only you can expect someone to help you. Thank you.